All right, what is up, YouTube? Today we have our Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we have a couple of new accessories that were sent over from ESR. They sent over a case for this phone along with a wireless car charger, and all they asked was for me to check it out and to share my honest opinion with you guys. So firstly, we have the ESR Hybrid Case. Now this is one of the very popular cases, and the colorway I went with for this particular case was the matching titanium color. So I can't wait to show you guys what that looks like. I have used this case for the last few days, so excuse any of the dirt. But this is the beautiful ESR Hybrid case. So as you can tell right away, you have that halo lock, ESR calls it, which is a very strong MagSafe magnet lock essentially. And I will test that with you guys and show you how strong their magnets are. They are some of the best on the market, bar none. And as we look over here, we have our cutouts for our volume rockers and power button. You have the ESR logo along with the bumpers here. And you see the camera cutout along with the USB ports. And on this side, of course, you don't have anything. And there's a microphone port. So let's go ahead and throw this on the phone so you guys see what it looks like. So that is what it looks like from the front. And that is what it looks like from the back. A very beautiful looking case. I really wanted one that was in this colorway just because it was very unique and I don't have a case that looks like this. But look how clean and concise that large cutout is there. You see the magnets right there. Gorgeous. You can see how good the cutouts are. We'll try the S Pen. No issues at all accessing the S Pen. Blank canvas with bumpers, microphones once again, and your buttons. I will mention that the buttons are insanely clicky, which is excellent. Let's take a look at the camera cutout here, cut out perfectly. I think it's hilarious because the day I got this case, I was actually sick. And whenever I was sick, I was not using my phones that much. And I actually dropped this on the bathroom cement flooring. And I was very surprised on how well this case took that impact. So I will say that this case it feels really thin in hand. It's very grippy because it has that, that plastic material on the back. But it is definitely a durable case at the very same time. And that's what it looks like from the front. Beautiful cutouts all around the bezels. I really enjoyed this case. And like I said, I am very excited that it saved my phone from that drop a few days ago. Now, I want to show you guys this car charger. Now, this is their Qi2 wireless car charger. Now, I've been using this for a number of weeks for multiple projects I've done to where I needed to charge my phone up inside of my car because I was traveling quite a bit. And the great thing about this product is it is Qi2 wireless charging, and it also has CryoBoost built into it, which is ESR's cooling protection system that they use with their chargers. Now, the cool thing about this is it comes with two different ways you can mount it. You can either mount it with your ventilation system clip mount, or you can use the stick-on dash mount, which is what I used. And I had no issues at all with that particular sticking. And this just uses a USB-C cable along with USB-C on the other end. Now, depending on your vehicle, you can either use a USB-C, a full-size outlet, or you can use a car charger. So it's totally up to you how you power this particular device, but this is my setup in my truck. I just use a full-size Apple 20-watt charger. But yeah, this little guy has been a game saver for me. And it's wild because with CryoBoost, this literally has fans built in it that suck air in and blow air through your phone's MagSafe connection and keeps your phone cool while it is charging it. It is one of the greatest things I've ever used. This is amazing. I can't wait to try more of their CryoBoost technologies, but I really, really enjoy this charger. And let me mention, not only is the magnets very strong on this particular product, but it is also very strong on their cases as well. I don't know if you guys can hear that click, but once it's on there, it is on there. I had no issues at all trusting this particular mount with either this phone or my iPhone as well. and it didn't even matter what case it was. This is a very, very good car charger. All right, guys, those are the goodies I got from ESR. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. I just wanted to give you my opinions on it. And so far, I am highly, highly impressed. So I will leave links down below to both of these products. They make cases for iPhones, for Galaxies, for a bunch of different items. So check them out. And they also have a bunch of different colors as well. So I really do like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like. Check out ESR down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.